Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now click OK over here and tap at the bottom right corner. Select Settings, click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time click on Set as Live Wallpaper, thermos click, Set as Live Wallpaper over here and tap on Apply. Then you need to select if you want to apply it on lock screen as well by clicking on this dot over here. I don't want to, so I will just leave it white and tap on Set. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!